Good morning, I'm Dalai Filinto. I'm here going to show the workflow I'm using to create these very nice Blender manual pages. So you see here, this is how the Blender manual is going to be. So the wiki is going to be being migrated to this system. This here is actually my website. It's my local copy of it, but this is the official manual at this moment, and it's basically the migration from the wiki. What I want to show here is how do you edit these pages with VI. So you can use either, well, probably even Windows, but I have this with Linux and Mac, and have a real-time feedback of what you see. So this is the official page, but this is the editing page. I'm using it. If you can see, we can compare, like the sidebar is different. We don't have all the links here. We don't have the page source, we don't have the top header. Maybe we can have this in the future, but for now this is a self-contained page, so it can be rendered and generated in real time. Just a quick example here, and I'll show how we get here. If I start typing here, hello world, this is a sample paragraph. Okay, here on the browser you get a real-time update of whatever you're typing. Let's say I want to change the syntax of this. Now you get this nice markup. If you see here, while you're typing, you might run into some errors of parsing, because in this case, I didn't change this tag. But as long as we get it right, we can get fixed later. This is all very cool, but let's show how does that work very briefly. Oh, this is the other nice thing. If while you're going over the page, it updates the page while you write. So you can change image size, pixels, 100. Oh, there's a limit. 100 and so on. I'll change this text, and that's really helpful because most of the time, even if you write straight on the VI, for instance, it's still nice to be able to, from time to time, have a look at the documentation as if you're not inside the matrix. I forgot how to make pieces. Anyways, let me show how to do that. So first, I'm create VI. That's it. Create here the server. Now what we have. So I put together a small documentation page. It's on the Wiki Blender, the Filinto Blender manual, and here we have all the links you need. And it starts actually going to the official Blender documentation page. I was open already, where you have to actually download it has instructions where is the Git repository of the Blender manual and how to install things and how to build it. And after we're done with this, so you have your environment working, then you can install the Instant RST, which is a VI plugin. Okay, so that's the part of the client, the part where we're inside the VI, you activate this plugin, and then things get streamed to this server. And the server itself, the link is here. Then it comes with a little remark that we're patching the original server from Rika, because we needed the image folder in a special place for Blender. That's why we're passing over there. And also have specific templates. It's all in the documentation. You can read in the wiki page here, in the advanced notes, and further consideration. But basically, that's where you can get the file with the static things. Yep. Okay. So once you have this all installed, go to the folder where your manual is. So we're gonna have the make file, the manual, which with all the pages, the HTML folder with where everything is installed, and you just go here and call here I'm gonna open this up bigger so you can see. Instant RST is the software called. That's a server, yeah. So calling the server, F is the file, in this case manual, render workflows, the browser. On Mac, you might have to type actually dash app dash blah 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 dash slash applications, Google Chrome with quotes. On Linux, just do Google Chrome, or the Firefox is the default one. And the -I to actually get the image folder. In this case is just my current folder, the pwd, just give you the equivalent. Max user, before linker, Blender, Git, Blender manual, yeah, manual, and images, which is the subfolder inside the manual, which we all have, yeah, with images. So you run this, minimize that. On Linux, this is gonna pop up a new image, a new page. On Mac, you can just go here and do localhost semicolon 5676 is the default port. You can change the server, and when you run it, it's gonna get this preview without the page yet. But now we go on the VI, you open the page you want. So I'm using VI, manual render workflows, new fields, and run. Actually, let me show the different one. We're going to workflow bake and change this one. And instead of multi-view, you can put bake and show some problems because the bake doesn't work so well, and you see why. So here, baking, I don't need to update the page. Open the bake theme. Now we're gonna go here on VI and do instant instant RST. So that's the plugin for VI installed. And as soon as you do it, it starts streaming the content of the page. So if you do here, hello world, how does that look like? The notes. Something, and I see here there's something fail because my syntax. Yeah. Explicit markup. Okay. I still don't know the. Yeah, I don't know the whole syntax of. The whole syntax of RST. And there is even another plugin only to give you the syntax. Anyway, that's beyond the point here. You can copy and paste existing files and just with that. The error I wanted to show you is that here you see all the GUI label, full render, backlinks. These are parts that are linking to the other pages in the wiki in the manual, and for now that's not supported with this server system. But I would say this is minor, so that you can get all this real-time preview of the most of the typing you're doing. And that's, I think that's pretty much it. And the nice thing about this new manual is that it's very portable. So once you generate the files, so you can do the official way. So after you're done editing, yeah, not saving this, but you go here, you do make render if you're only editing the render, or make to update all the files, and you just have this folder with HTML, which you can just copy to your server. And that's what I was showing here. Yep, here. But this is my website, dalaifilinto.com, and here I'm just hosting the Blender manual with my own my branch, so with the multiple. That's pretty much about it. I hope you like. I hope you use VI, so you are familiar with this, so you can benefit from this. And that's about it.